Hi there, welcome to the Torrent Assault instructional video. I'm going to go over Torrent Assault and the options and features that it has. So we'll get going right away. I'm going to try and fit this all into a 10-minute video. So we might as well start. I already got some things loaded up here, but in this is the web browser window. This browser is where the magic happens. Current IP is set to 0 at the moment for obvious reasons, I think, but it will show your current IP, and there will also be things that you can click on and whatnot. Over here we have a status window. This shows you what's going on in Torrent Assault. Up here we have a list of torrent sites, and currently there's 10. So we have a button here, that's the cat button. This button shows you or allows you to update the categories for a specific torrent site. So if you hit the button and you select yes, it's going to go out to all the selected torrent sites and update the database with the buttons. The all button selects all the torrent sites and the 0 button selects none of them. The other thing that you can do is right click. So for example, for BT Junkie we can autofill the captcha or we can turn it off. As you can see, the check mark goes away. You also have a turn off all and a turn on all. Turn off all just turns off the autofill captcha, and turn on all turns on all the autofill captchas. And the view upload page will take you to a new web browser window to view the upload page for this specific torrent site. Okay, proxy support. You have a couple options here. You can add a proxy, so 1.1.1.1:20, let's say, shows up. You can enable it, and then Torrent Assault will use that as a proxy. -1 removes the proxy, and you can also load up a list if you like. You have a proxy list here, loads up a bunch of stuff, and you can also right click on them to delete the proxy from the file. So what it does is it not only removes it from the list, but it also removes it from the proxy file. This -1 just clears the list. That's it. Friendly remembers all the proxies that Torrent Assault was successful on. So if there's a successful upload, it's added to a database and stored so that you don't have to always be searching for proxies. In the settings window, we have switch proxy after X amount of uploads. Right now it's set to 10. So for every torrent site selected, Torrent Assault will upload 10 torrents to each site. If you select 9, then it will select 9 torrents to each site. Test proxy before uploading on whatever web page you want. Currently it's set to the internal Torrent Assault page, which is this page that you see here. Timeout is how long Torrent Assault will wait before a timeout can happen on a particular torrent site. In this case 120 seconds. If nothing happens, then it times it out, and if it times out after X amount, in this case 1 number of timeouts, then Torrent Assault will actually remove that IP address from the proxy list. Okay, hopefully I'm not going too fast, but I don't have a lot of time. Okay, tools. Torrent site errors. Torrent site errors are basically all the web page and website errors that can happen for a particular torrent site. For example, if you're familiar with Mininova, you can be banned, or you can say that the torrent's been already uploaded, or it's been already, or the torrent is added successfully. You can edit these errors. You just hit the edit button, you got some error text, and you have successful and unsuccessful. If the torrent is successful, you don't need to add a reason, but if it's unsuccessful, you have to add a reason, and that reason will show up in the status window. Okay, hopefully that's not too quick. We'll hit done. Tools, update site categories. That's the same thing as this cat button here, so I don't need to go into that. Adjust screenshot. People's resolutions are different, and for technical reasons I was unable to get some of the captcha images from the hard drive, so I had to actually physically have Torrent Assault do a screen capture. So what this does is, this is just the SeedPeer website. You can take a screen capture utility, highlight the edges to the size of the image that you are screen capturing for that particular site, click on it. Hello, there it is. Click on it, and you can see it's not right, so you can just resize it. Click the thing again. It's not so good over here. Click it. It's being really slow right now. I don't know why. Holy, it's being kind of irritating. There we go. So we've got our preview screenshot. Normally it's not like that. I think it's the screen capture software interfering with it. Anyways, so if you like it, you hit OK, and you're done. And you can do that for 2 other torrent sites, ByteNova and Smereg. Okay, so we're going to go into uploading a torrent. You select where your torrents are stored. You got a folder, and then the torrents of that folder will show up in this list. You can either upload all of them, or only do one of them, or remove them all. I'm going to upload torrents while I sleep. I'm going to, well, first of all, what I need to do is I need to update the categories. So a few things can happen here. First things, if you have fresh torrents, there's going to be no name and no description set up. So what you're going to want to do is hit the auto extract button. And what that does is it, for example, if I just blank out some of these names and whatnot, you'll see the bulk torrent now has no name. But if I hit auto extract, it's complete. I'll re-highlight it and it comes up with a name and a description. The next thing you're going to need to do before you go into uploading, you're going to need to select some categories for your torrents. So this category button applies all the categories that you select in the torrents to be uploaded window. So in ByteNova, your torrent category is software, Windows Other. For BT Junkie, software. For BT Scene, it would be software Windows, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's all set up. So we've already auto extracted our name and our description, and we are ready to upload. So I'm just going to upload this torrents while you sleep one. As you can see over in the stats window, it hasn't been uploaded anywhere yet. So I'm going to highlight ByteNova, BT Junkie, BT Scene, Fenopy, and MiniNova, and I'm going to turn off the captchas so I can manually enter them. Whoops, we're testing our proxy. I don't actually want to use proxies. So as you can see, I was able to remove them all, and I'm just going to go again. So I'm uploading to ByteNova, and I'm almost out of time. FELAJ. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can to try and get it up on YouTube, but I don't think I'm going to have enough time. So there might be a part 2 to this video. Marinda. Okay, for the purposes of this video, I'm just gonna kill the upload. As you can see, you can hit stop, and that finishes the current upload. But if you kill it, it just totally ends it with a timeout. I'm gonna turn on all my autofill captchas, and as you can see, for where are we here, BT Scene, we are currently cracking the captcha. The software is doing this for us. It doesn't really look like an easy captcha to crack. I'm not sure if it's gonna get it, but we'll find out. And let's just see what happens. So I'm not typing anything, I'm just sitting here babbling away, trying to entertain you with my beautiful voice. And it's a very sexy voice. I was voted 1005th best singer in my school. So there we go. We got bright. The first word didn't really make sense, but as you can see, we got a thank you for upload. We're uploading to Fenopy. See, this is autopilot Torrent Assault working right now. And of course, we're going to upload to our favorite website, MiniNova, which personally I think kind of, well, they remove your torrents 20 minutes after you stick them up there. So what's the point, right? Even if it's not a paper install torrent, it doesn't really matter. They just take your torrents down. It sucks. So anyways, we're uploading to MiniNova. This is the last torrent for the upload torrents while you sleep.exe.torrent file, and we're just going to see if Torrent Assault can get the captcha correct. Og Hauer, must be August Hauer, I suppose. I don't know. Usually it takes about 30 seconds, between 20 and 30 seconds, and we'll see here. It's got to refresh. No, not yet. So I'll just go over this manual submit part. If you click that, which I will right now, what that means is Torrent Assault will allow you to manually submit the torrent. See, it says here, awaiting manual submit to the site. So basically, you can go over the categories and all the other stuff that you might be concerned about, and click the submit button. So then we're going to process the post submit for MiniNova. Upload complete. MiniNova failed. Banned. Holy crap, I got banned already. You can see my IP address. That's great. So there you go, I got banned. See, MiniNova, not my favorite torrent site. But anyways, that's Torrent Assault. I hope that this video has helped you, and hope you enjoy using the software. It's pretty powerful. Have a nice day. Bye.